Hi guys, I'm back. First things first, I would like to say thank you to everyone for supporting me in my first vlog. I wouldn't have the courage to continue this without your support. So today, in this vlog, I'll be answering the questions you've sent me through my personal account and in the comments in my previous vlog. So, let's go! First question. What was your agency here in the Philippines? Actually, I attended orientations from different agencies and I decided to sign up with Pinoy Care since I heard a lot of good reviews about the company. So, Pinoy Care, baka naman dyan, alam niyo na. Just, but okay, let's move on to the next question. So, for the second question, how much do we need for a show money? As I've mentioned in my first vlog, I incurred 1.2 to 1.3 million pesos expenses. And yes, aside from that, I also have a show money of 1.2 million pesos. The minimum amount for show money is 1 million. And take note, guys, yes, having a show money is really, really important so that you can prove to the visa officer that you can support your living expenses here while studying here in Canada. For the third question, ask ko lang, what school ka po and saan sa Canada? I am enrolled at Centennial College, taking up international business here in Toronto, Canada. So for the fourth question, pwede rin po kaya staggered payment yung sa tuition or need na bayaran in full? Upon receiving my LOA, letter of acceptance, the school asked me to pay the initial amount of $2,300 and requires me to pay full tuition fee semester on or before the class starts. So for the next question, the question is, bayad daan sa tuition while naapa sa PH or Canada na magbayad tuition? You can pay your tuition fee while you're still in the Philippines or you can pay it upon your arrival here in Canada as long as you pay your tuition fee on or before the semester starts. So let's move on to the next question. So here it is. Pasado po ba sa IELTS? Ilan po kaya? Meron din pong school na hindi need ang IELTS. So for the IELTS exam, you will only take IELTS exam if A, required by school, B, if you're applying SDS pathway with a minimum band score of 6 in all categories, reading, writing, and speaking. Just like me, I took SDS pathway, so I am required to take IELTS exam. SDS means Student Direct Stream, and yes, there are schools here in Canada that doesn't requires IELTS, just like here in Ontario, Seneca College, Georgian College, Centennial College, Cambridge College, and other schools. Just do your research guys by visiting their websites. The seventh question. Sa Pinoy Care po kasi ang student doon is pwede daw po makuha ang asawa. Actually, in this question, not just in Pinoy Care, all international students can bring their family here in Canada while they're still studying. So let me just rephrase the question for you guys. So, can I bring my spouse with me as open work permit? Is it possible to lodge the application together? So my answer to that is Yes and yes. You need to explain everything. Why are you bringing your husband or children here in Canada? Why is it important that you are together, and do you have enough funds to support your entire family here? For the eighth question, hello, would like to ask po kung solo lang kayo dyan o may pamilya kayo. I don't have a family or relatives here in Toronto, Canada, but I live with my friend Diane. We were classmates in college back home and we graduated together. And I found out that she plans to study here in Canada, and I am also interested to study here in Canada. So we decided to pursue our studies here together. So for the next question, hi, kumusta po? Now sa Canada, may part-time work naman po kayo nakuha despite of COVID. Corporate companies are still closed and social distancing is a must. Only essential businesses are open. As of now, yes, I have a part-time work, and actually there are lots of fast food restaurants and grocery stores are hiring this past few days. For the 10th question, kaya po kaya kung 500k lang pera tapos yung tuition, pagtrabuhoan na lang namin dyan? Based on my experience here, 500k is not enough. You still have to take into account your daily expenses, and finding a job right away is not an assurance. Just like in my case, it took me 3 months before I got my first part-time job. So therefore, it's better to have sufficient budget just to be safe. So for the 11th question, may ibang option po ba yung walang ganyang kalaking pera? Moving to a different country like Canada is not easy. You need to adjust to a new environment, physically, emotionally, and financially. So my advice for you is that you save enough money or you take risks by getting a bank loan. So we're in the second to the last question. So the question is, paano ka nakahanap ng tirahan? Actually, my roommate Diane, she arrived here 1 month ahead of me, and she found a place for us to live on Facebook group. So we're moving on to our last question. So for the 13th question, I may need to look for rents and daily budget aside from the 1.3 million total budget in your video. For this, I will create a separate content to answer this question. There, I will focus on my daily monthly expenses, and also, is my salary enough to support my tuition fee here and my monthly daily expenses. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. Hopefully you get inspired by pursuing your Canada dreams, and see you soon here in Canada. Bye bye.